Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact DGT board model and that you have the USB cable or Bluetooth dongle. This prevents compatibility surprises. Once you have firmware and drivers downloaded, plug the board into power and connect the USB cable to your PC, or insert the Bluetooth adapter and enable pairing mode. Make sure the software you plan to use has permission to access serial ports. This immediate action establishes the physical link and prepares the device for configuration. With the physical link ready, open your Chess GUI and select the DGT interface or the correct serial/COM port. This is where most failures hide. Then set the baud rate and protocol to match the board, DGT native, WinBoard, or UCI depending on your setup, and enter the board ID if requested. Once configured, make a test move on the pieces and verify the GUI registers it, that PGN saves, and the clock syncs. These steps ensure reliable communication and correct game recording. To finish, run a quick calibration of squares if you see drift or misread pieces. This aligns sensors to the board geometry. Once done, save settings, restart the GUI and the board, and run another full test game. If problems persist, swap the USB port or cable and repair Bluetooth, because physical connectors cause most issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing registers, update or reinstall the DGT firmware and drivers before contacting support. Often that results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.